Eyate. And this is our Navajo language, Navajo 1, 2016, lesson 3 pass-off sheet. And students, this is your pass-off. Listen to the video clip when you're ready to find your facilitator and pass off the readings. If you don't have a facilitator, please email me a recording. Okay, so these are just from lesson 3. Shada yagodot is tletso nahokos slijan with the 4 directions. And then there's Chiji. He's got a glottal here, and then he's got a high mark here. Chiji. And then Batej, Bade, Bana, Batsile. And then Banala Haskin, Banala San, Bache, Masan. And then we have Bade, and then Bamayaja, and then Bama, Bije, and then Babije, Bijayaja, Babije, Bama. This one I here. Okay, so that's what that is. Now here's your pass-off. Chat ish klekre, klekre. Chat ish yagodot ish. Shada yagodot ish. Chat ish letso, letso. Chat ish lejen, naho kos lejen. Chish be'et lechi, chiji beche, be'et lechi. As you know right here, chiji beche. Okay, be'et lechi. Okay. Chiji beche be'et lechi. Chish be'et letso. Chiji bate be'et letso. Chish be'et letso. Chiji beta. Sorry about that. Beta be'et letso. Okay, so if we go up there, beta is right there. Okay. Ado chish be'et lechi do letso. Chiji b'masando b'tzile be'et lechi do letso. Chish be'et yagodot ish do tzedete godot ish. Chiji b'mado b'bije be'et yagodot ish do tzedete godot ish. All right, that's your pass off. Thank you. Go on it.